guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for quite a while, but I decided I will come back and show you guys my hair flat ironed because I did that the other day. Now I don't have like a super in-depth tutorial of me like blow drying, flat ironing and all that, but I do have a few little clips that I'll probably include at the end. But I just wanted to let you know about the products that I used. So I pretty much followed a Glam Twinz tutorial. I believe Kelsey and Kenra both have one, but I followed Kelsey's. I wrote down pretty much every single product that she used in her most recent tutorial. She has type 3 hair, and I'm pretty convinced that I have type 3 hair. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's more type 3 than type 4. So I was like, the products that she used should work pretty well for me. So I went ahead and wrote all of those down. I ordered everything on Black Friday, and then everything on Black Friday from Ulta. Got it shipped to my house, and then I flat ironed my hair for Christmas. And I flat ironed my hair a second time last Thursday. So today's Sunday. So my hair, it's a couple of days old, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Anyway, so I used the Redken product. So this is Redken Extreme. I used the shampoo, the conditioner, and the anti-snap as well. She also recommended the Redken All Soft, but I chose to go with this one. This one has protein in it. So I used that shampoo, I used the matching conditioner, and then after that I went ahead and deep conditioned my hair. Now I've used both of these deep conditioners. The first time I flat ironed my hair, I used this one. This is the Macadamia Nourishing Moisture Mask, the one that comes in this jar. And then this is the Joico K-Pack Intense Hydrator for dry damaged hair. So both of these are really, really great. My hair loves both of them. I think they're amazing. Would definitely repurchase both of these again. They're bomb. Like, I'm going to try them on. I'm using them when I wear my hair curly as well. Although these are more expensive. I was able to get this macadamia one from Ulta. They were buy one, get one free. So I ended up getting two because they're like $30 a piece. So it brought it down to like $15. And this jar is 8 fluid ounces. And then this one is 8.5 fluid ounces. And I don't remember how much this one was. After that, I rinsed my hair out, and then I used, sorry guys, I have all the products like over here in this bag, so let me gather everything. I used the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Now she did not use this in her tutorial, but I used this previously, like last year when I flat ironed my hair, and I liked it. So I put quite a bit of this on my hair. I really like sprayed this on my hair, because the more leave-in conditioner is, the less likely your hair will frizz. When your hair frizzes, it's because it's missing moisture. So if you're not someone who puts in a leave-in conditioner, then your hair is probably going to frizz up more easily. My hair frizzes up anyway, but this extra leave-in conditioner has really helped. So I used that, and I used 2 pumps of the anti-snap, the Redken Extreme. This is the anti-snap. I put this on as well, 2 pumps of this per section, and my hair was in 4 sections. And then I sprayed this Kenra blow dry spray, which I have been using. She did use this in her tutorial, but I've been using this for years. My hairstylist that I used to go to, he uses this, and so I've been using this for forever, and it's really, really great. It really does cut down on blow dry time like it says it does. It takes like no time for me to blow dry my hair. After I blow dried it, I went ahead and applied the Tresemme Heat Tamer, which protects against heat damage up to 450 degrees. You can get this from Walmart. It works really well. And then I flat ironed my hair. I bought the flat iron that she recommended in the video. This is the Sudo Revolution. It goes up to 450 degrees. This is the 1-inch flat iron. There's also a 1.5-inch, and there's like one other kind, I think, but this one, I got this one, and it's a mixture of tourmaline infused ceramic plates. So it is not titanium plated. I tried to do some research before I bought a new flat iron on titanium, and I've pretty much found out it's not really recommended for natural hair. It does get your hair, you know, really nice and straight. So like if you wear weaves and stuff and you want, you know, something that's gonna have like really high heat and, you know, it'll get it super duper straight. Some what was I saying? What kind of plates? The titanium plates are really, really good for that, but they're not really good for natural hair. Ceramic plates are better, so that's what I bought, and it works really, really well. I literally went through my hair. I took small sections, but I did 1 pass per section. That's it. after I did the one pass, I went through, after my whole head was complete, I went through in larger sections and threw some curls in, and then I pin curl my hair at night so I can just have a little bit of a wave. I don't like straight, like completely straight hair, so I don't wrap my hair. The only time I'll wrap it is if I go out, it gets really, really frizzy. I'll apply some of this Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Oil. I'll wrap it up, and then for maybe like a few hours, and then I'll pin curl it. And that helps to give me like just a nice little wave. So this is really nice. This is expensive. I got it from Sephora. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. I mean, it's gonna last a really long time, but it was like $30 for this, but it's amazing. It's really, really amazing, and it's like totally worth it. Like, I'm so happy that I bought it. I didn't buy it on Black Friday when I bought the rest of these products, and I waited maybe like 1.5 weeks-ish into my straight hair, and then I was just like, I have to like buy this to see if it'll help with the frizz, and it did. It's incredible. Love it so much. I also trimmed my hair so I can show you guys. I know I'm wearing black, but my hair is right here, which is definitely longer than it was last time or last year when I flat ironed it. I cut off about 1 inch of my hair, maybe a little bit more than 1 inch. It's pretty much right at bra strap length. It's a little longer than bra strap length, so it's right here. You guys can see right there. So it's definitely grown, which is great. But my goal for this year is really to get moisture into my hair. I think I'm gonna do I think it's called like the curly girl method or something. That's like 7 days, or you don't have to do them consecutively, but like 7 times with like all these different products to help your hair get more moisturized. And I'm really gonna do that. If anyone has done it before, comment down below, because I'm going to be ordering those products really soon, and I'll probably do a video on it as well once I've completed all 7 days to show you guys what it looks like. But anyway, this is my hair, and on my edges I just used a little bit. I used a hot comb, and I used a little bit of the Ebin Edge Control, the one with the green top. It's really, really great. I recommend getting that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys like a little update on my natural hair, see what it looks like flat ironed, and these products that Kelsey recommended are amazing. I will link her video, hopefully I don't remember, link her video in the description box down below, because she actually shows herself like blow drying and flat ironing and all that, and I'm talking in the clips I have, and it's just gonna make this video like way too long. Like, it's self-explanatory, okay, how to blow dry and flat iron. So pretty simple, and that's pretty much my routine. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, leave everything in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.